Hey guys, it's me Chef Varun Inamdar and I'm extremely honored to be acknowledged and recognized as an agent of safety. While we wash our hands, it's also important to not wash our hands of our responsibilities because there are some people who need us today more than ever before. A little contribution from me and my family towards this endeavor is to ensure that nobody in the area where we live sleeps empty stomach. Well, this is just a small thing that you and I can do just from our home kitchens. If you could just cook an extra meal and pass it down, trust me, it will reach where it has to. You do not have to really go down looking for people. Trust me, there are a lot of people out who are looking for initiatives like these. For the ones who are sitting in their homes, I've also started another initiative which is called Quarantine. Well, through that, what I'm doing is I'm utilizing whatever's there in our pantry today. It could be potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and some basic spices, basic vegetables, pulses, and cereals, and I'm converting them into dishes. So this is just a little from my side. I hope you can add a little value in today's times where people need you and me today more than ever before.